I wanted to tell you about this swimming expedition that I did.
Yeah.
A number of years ago, Todd and I were on vacation,
Okay.
and
And
I swam the whole length of the lake where we were, and Todd didn't know where we were, where I was.
yeah. And I guess that meant he had to get in the water, huh?
Yes, and he was a little nervous
Uh-huh.
about it because he doesn't really like to be in the water.
Yeah.
But he pulled it together and came to rescue me.
And I think that's amazing because I know he signed up for those Scaredy Cat swim lessons and then he was too afraid to go.
Yes, and this was a long time after that whole thing, so it really proved that we've come a long way.
Yes, you guys really have. I remember when you wanted to go, what was it, skydiving?
Yes, yes, and I wanted to go gliding
Yeah.
and skydiving
Yeah.
and horseback riding.
Yeah, and he just didn't seem to want to do any of that sort of stuff.
Yes.
Yeah.
And he was kind of a pope about everything.
Yeah. It seems to me that you find this stuff, and I don't know. And I think it's great that he did the swimming.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's
Yay.
wonderful.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And I can see that you really see my point of view.
Yeah, I do. I do.
Yeah.
I really see that maybe if you put yourself into peril,
Yeah.
and he'll get in the water.
Yes.
Yes.
You see the point.
Yes.
Yes. And it can be more exciting, and it'll really grow our relationship, and we would be better people for it.
Absolutely. And just think about the adrenaline rush of for him not knowing if you're going to survive, and then that for you too.
Yes.
Yes.
And he gets to prove himself
Yes.
and be the guy who saves me.
Yes.